I saw these online and I had questions. Would they actually be cute in person? Are the colors vibrant? Are they actually easy to put together or not? I wanted high impact visual decor that felt unique but easy to set up and added that little touch of magic. My favorite part is how they look from underneath, the flowing tentacles with the breeze or the air blowing on them and the round lantern shape. They really do create this really cute effect when hung, and they're super easy to use. They come flat packed and you simply have to take them from their flat shape and expand them to the circle. It is a metal tubing kind of inside, and the wire just goes right into the middle. It fits right into that middle core, and you slide it all the way down. It's a little bit hard to show this so you can see it, but there you go. You see it going all the way down to the other circle. Then you just stretch the paper over to the top and slide them in the holes, and you're done. It takes maybe 10 seconds if I'm not trying to explain it. And then it's set. The paper seems durable. The tentacles just need to be fluffed. I just give them a little good shake, and they're ready to go. And here's a different color blue. I love they create a themed atmosphere instantly. They add like height and movement to party decor. Super reasonably priced and great for any birthday or teamed event, and really stress-free to set up. Overall, they're really just a light, magical underwater look in minutes. Thanks to the seller for sending these over. If this was helpful, please give it a like so I know to make more videos like this.